Okay, here we go. Blizzard of 2011. This is Jet Crasher 1's place, just outside of Chicago. Yeah, was able to make a path to get out of the garage with the snowblower, and underneath all that is my my Chevy Blazer, old blue. Oh, I gotta take care of my baby.
Oh no.
Take a look at the carnage.
Yeah. And, I figured that I worked in the hospital. I figured, well, I could get here last night and hit it a couple of times, but we never left the hospital. Yeah, I understand that. Would mine help you? I got a paddle thrower. It's, you know, single stage.
Neighbor feeding some of the garanimals. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, a Blizzard of 2011. Here it is. Yeah.
Good going, Jimmy.
This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I got my work cut out for me, boys. We'll see you on the flip side. Jet Crasher out.